everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I want to show you what I'm going to be working with next. This is a digital file from Bumfuzzle Boutique. It is called Pineapple Paradise. I'm going to show you the papers, and then I'll show you the journaling cards, and then I'll show you the ephemera fussy cuts. So obviously pineapple themed, and there are 10 papers in this kit. I love this. I love the detailing, how just detailing. You've got the words here, you've got a little bit of texturing there, and then the pineapples are just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I printed this just on some HP, probably 35-pound weight cardstock. Not cardstock, paper. Nothing really fancy. It's just a little better quality than just regular computer paper. Here's another piece. This will be great for a collage page. I just love all of the different details. Sort of looks stitched. It's not, but it sort of has that feel to it. And this looks just like a nice little print. I love that. This sort of has a map in the background with the pineapples, so it sort of lends you to sort of a tropical piratey kind of feel. I love this. This one and this one to me are great background pieces. They would make great pages. Now, I am going to work towards a junk journal. It's not going to be really junky, but more like a mini album / junk journal. So here again is a nice detailed piece. You can see all of the little the lines and the sketching of that pineapple. Love this sort of tone on tone. It's a little muted. We've got that muted background with the pineapple and the darker green. And then these two pages are great background pages. Now, next I'm going to show you those journaling cards, and I'll probably print these with the background unless, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but unless I just use cardstock and cut this out and put it on the back of the cardstock. Okay, now I'm going to show you the journaling cards. But before I do, let me tell you, I'll just make a point of telling you that when I print this out, I do still have some white edges, so this might not be at 100%. I think it's at 93%. I don't know how to get my printer to print without the white borders. It's an HP Smart Tank 6001. I'm pretty good with the computer, and I've looked through all the settings with the printer, and I can't figure out how to do it without how to print edge to edge. So these could be bigger if you print them out, and I'm sure there's ways of making a print right to the edge. But I mean, my printer might not. I don't know. But anyhow, look at these. Aren't these great for journaling cards? I mean, room to journal on here. What I like about Bumfuzzle's journaling cards is the edges already, maybe you can see it in this one, they're already darkened as if it's been inked. So you don't have to do much inking if you cut real well. So again, I could print this out with this on the back, print it double-sided, or I could cut this out and put it on some cardstock and cut the same size and have this on the back. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. All right, here's a couple more. Again, good room for journaling there. These are great backgrounds. These would be good on the back of some of those. Love both of those. So you've got some that are portrait and some that are landscape. Again, a good background piece, good for journaling and good for journaling here. I love them. Love the different collage-y look to that. Very, very cool. All right, next I'm going to show you some of my fussy cut ephemera that I did fussy cut with the Cricut. So here they all are, all laid out. So there's a lot of variety in here. You've got different shapes, different sizes, different colors, different uses for these. So most of them I did fussy cut with my Cricut. There were some that I actually just printed out and fussy cut. I printed most of these out on regular lightweight paper. Some I did print on some cardstock. heavyweight cardstock. I'll probably go back and print a few more in heavyweight cardstock. Depends on where I'm going to use those. The great thing about digitals is if you want to use, say, this pineapple in 3 different places, you could print that out 3 times. You know, sometimes with a paper collection, you only get one of an element and you're like, oh, I like that. I could use it somewhere else. So anyhow, um, so this is from Bumfuzzle Boutique. I'm going to be working on junk journal and junk journal inserts. Obviously, I don't do a lot of junk journals, but I'm going to play with a couple of different things. This just lends itself to some fun, I don't know, just fun things to do. So stay tuned. I will be bringing some to my YouTube channel in the next couple of days. I'm going to take you to the Bumfuzzle Etsy shop and show you those files. So there actually are 3 of them. There's the paper, there is the fussy cut ephemera, and there is also the journaling cards. So see, there's so much in the fussy cut ephemera. It's much better. Just go to Etsy.com and take a look at the files. That's what I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.